I'll show you how to find the device emulation feature in Roblox Studio after the recent UI changes. Since Roblox Studio updated its entire layout, many tools became harder to find, including device emulation, which lets you test how your game looks on mobile phones, consoles, desktop, and even VR devices. To find it, first open Roblox Studio and look for the small interface icon at the top of the screen. After clicking it, a menu with several options will appear. From there, look for the GUI section and then click on Device Emulation. Once you enable it, you'll be able to simulate different devices such as iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, desktop monitors, consoles, and VR headsets. This feature is extremely useful because it allows you to see exactly how players will experience your game on different screen sizes and platforms. You can even interact with the emulator by dragging the screen and testing the controls to make sure everything works correctly. This helps you create a much smoother and more professional experience for your players. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.